Alright guys, so today is Friday. We have a couple days left to square away 3 things on the Supra before we head to Tech on Tech is Monday. And then we have ongoing stuff happening to all the customer cars today. Joe's gonna finish that 4-inch exhaust he was doing on this RB S14 car of Shane. Let's go take a look at it. This car is pretty nice, so we're TIG welding everything. So he has to go back and finish all these spots, but he was had it in the car where he like tacks it all in place and then routes all the tubing, cuts and nicely lines everything up so it's out of the way of drive shaft and other stuff. And then today he'll finish weld it and then put it in. It's gonna be cool. Are you gonna put a V-band back there? Or is it just straight to the one-piece exhaust?
One-piece exhaust.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, it's lightweight. So he has one V-band at the downpipe and then one V-band at the turbo. And then straight back to the muffler, and it reduces down to 3.5, so it has a muffler. Still probably gonna be really loud, but check out the welds. Focus. Ooh, nice. HGK needs to probably check a couple last things, and then they're gonna head to the dyno today, supposedly. Here's their big giant motor. Really cool. I think they got everything ready. They never started it, but they filled the coolant and the fuel system yesterday, so we'll see. They'll be here soon. And they'll start their last touches on there. It's a really, really cool car if you guys haven't seen it. They do a lot of cool cars. You guys know that. It's cool because they build the car and drive the car, kind of like how I do it, but they've been in this a lot longer, so their car's crazy. One day I'll get there, one day. My car has style and it's cool, but theirs has like the engineering behind stuff and the manufacturing of their own parts. It's just really cool. Then we have Jude's car. We gotta change the thermostat real quick, and then unfortunately it wasn't opening. We tried multiple times, so we're gonna do that real quick. Then retest coolant system. If everything's good to go, then we can get some logs for Ian, and then get this up to the dyno. Oh, we still gotta make that intake, but don't worry. We got the filter. I know it's small, but gives us just enough room to make a tight, like probably 120 maybe. So a tight 120, hold the filter right there, just out of the way of everything. But, all right. Whoa, good morning. It's awake. Go to the dyno today, so they're doing the pre-dyno check right now. Pretty cool. So good news is we have a surprise for you guys. We will show you in a little bit here. You'll be excited. Something that you could get from us next week. Joe is now making a little elbow for the intake. It's the end of the week. It's just
Hi guys. It's a hard week.
Yes. Very hard month or year. It's a hard year so far. I'm really tired. He's
Work
tired.
hard every day. 12 hours.
12 to 24 hours every day.
Every day.
Minimum of 12. Maximum 24. But, well, that's the end of today. HGK went to the dyno. Their car looks really cool. Made a lot of horsepower. They, like 800 at the wheel, NA horsepower. Crazy, crazy. So, these two cars are ready for Long Beach. Ooh, and we have Brett's RX-3 here. Who wants to check out Brett's RX-3? Dun, 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 dun. So, Brett's RX-3 is pretty much a race car, but he drives it on the street because it is pre-smog, so he can kind of get away with that. We've done a lot of work to this car, but not recently because it's a completed build. We helped him do stuff on it, I don't know, for the last couple of years, probably the last 3 years, but for the last year, I guess, it's mostly been driving around. It's a 3-rotor in an RX-3. Ooh, look at that. Custom Rad Industries strut bar. He has a lot of custom everything on this car. We did, I don't know, most of the fab work in here. Some of the other stuff. We made these guys. Kick plates. And then DNA Garage did all the motor stuff and many other things too. This is just a really cool car, and it sounds like an F1 car or something like that because it revs out high, but then it's a semi-peripheral port 3-rotor, so it has like a whole nother sound to it. You guys would have to see it to understand, or hear it in person to understand fully, but it's a really cool car. Thought I'd show you guys because probably most of you would want to know about it. I mean, I would want to know more about it. It's a really cool car. So, that's Brett's RX-3. Brett's also the one that has the RX-4, and Brett also has this RX-7 here with the wide body, and he has an FD RX. He's just got like every rotary vehicle you could want. We have a lot going on lately, but Renee's been busy designing new shirts. So the Gen 4 Rad Industries shirts are now on our website. It's available for pre-order, and we will be out at Long Beach with all the merch there for sale. But if you're not able to make it, pre-order yours now. The surprise is Renee made a limited run of this really cool picture that we had for our unveil, and it's perfect poster size. So I'm gonna sign each one of these, and they'll be up on our website. So go check it out, see what else we have on there, and get yourself one of these posters. Alright guys, see you later.